Hi guys! Hi guys! Hi guys! Hi! Busog. Kita ka. Ay, wag na pala. Arms mo lang kita. Hello guys! Hello guys! Magchi-chicken tayo! I tried.
Hey.
Hugas ka? Diyan. Diyan kaya ko.
Hindi.
Chicken.
Kami,
Oo.
legendary antipolo, sarado na.
Alin?
Legendary antipolo.
Kay Sedo?
Pero malakas siya pa rin sa umorder. Kaya nga, GR ang Grill Reaper ang magmamonopolize ng market eh. That feeling na magsasarado din. Yung anak mo, pakita ka nga sa plate doon.
Magkano presyo nga ano?
300 plus. Maganda ang kitaan sa Grill Reaper, mami, rather than Dads. Kasi Dads, ano eh, tapos yung ano niya, yung market niya, ang kinakain ng Dads market niya, 400 grams para isang ulo.
This is Jollibee.
Grill Reaper, 200 grams.
This is Jollibee, guys. I added this just to be more slimy.
Ew.
It's yummy.
Kawawa yung anak mo dun.
Can you give me some, mommy?
Dito lahat ng baby din naman.
Tinawag tayo ng live. Kawawa ikaw. Kawawa? Kawawa? Iwanan kita, tignan mo. Kawawa? Kawawa? Baby, pangasoy mo ng ice tea sa akin. Kung may iwanan si Isi. Sabi na, hindi mo ako wag yata eh. Kawawa? Kawawa? Kawawa?
Mm-mm.
Hmm. Hmm? Sige. Sige. Huwag naman.
Ikaw yung daddy.
Siya yun?
Ikaw kita sa video.
Nakita sa video. Pakita yung kapatid mo sa video. Hello.
Magpakita ka, daddy.
Hello.
Face reveal. Face reveal. Mag-face reveal ka,
Oh.
Mag-face reveal ka, daddy. Baba ka. That's my daddy. That's my daddy. That's a bat. I have a tablet. I also have a laptop. Not just that, I also have a PC and other more. In grade 6, we're grade 3 and we're upstairs in our class. And other side, that's where the grade 6 is. And this, we have foundation day, more like puppet show. And the grade 6 Andre, Kuya Andre said, let me join. Wait, guys.
Spaghetti pa, i-wipes mo yan.
some guys that know, some, never mind. Some people who already knows my mom's face, like Actor Princess. She's my friend. Minsan, pumupunta siya dito sa bahay namin. And we play Roblox or just making a video. She know my mom's face. Don't mind me, I'm weird. I'm so full. This is not gravy, huh? This is nasty. Not nasty, girl. Nasty. As in the juice, and don't mind this. This is not gravy. This is nasty. It doesn't match the color crazy. Because I don't know. Not that smart. I'm just scratching. Actually, we don't do algebra. I'm not high school. I'm not high school. I need to wipe myself and just a table joke. This isn't ugly.